Have you ever been sitting in the middle of a nice meal or chatting with friends, when suddenly your body does this unexpected, awkward thing? Have you ever stopped to wonder why this happens to us? Before we dive into how hiccups form, let's cover the most common things that trigger them for most people. These include eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, spicy food, alcohol, and even sudden excitement or stress. Now, for the core reason behind the hiccup. Hiccups form when your diaphragm, the large main muscle right under your lungs that helps you breathe every day, suddenly contracts without any warning. This sudden spasm makes you suck air into your lungs very quickly, and right as that air rushes in, your vocal cords snap shut. That quick, sudden closure creates the iconic "hic" sound we all know so well. Here's a cool little fact you probably didn't know. Babies can get hiccups even before they are born. This is normal, and experts think it helps develop their breathing muscles early. Most hiccups go away on their own within a few minutes. But if they last more than 48 hours, they could signal an underlying problem, so you should see a doctor right away.